Now that we rolling, we can't get no flat. We back to back, you can't hold it back. I been told you that. Especially just stay on my way. If a nigga want it, then he gon' get it. You heard what I say. Got a red dot on the dome, nigga. I'm riding around East Atlanta tone with a 9 nigga. Say you want smoke, but it don't, nigga. My nigga serving up some gas worth 450. Or some good gas. My plug more realer. For hold my breath, you the realest nigga standing in the building.
What's up, guys? It's Brooks Customs, and I'm here today to bring you my new pickup. Yes, it's a 2010 G37 Journey package. Yeah, let's get it. But we still have the other ones down. Just purchased the vehicle. You know, heated seats. Car has what? Starts up pretty good. Car has 87,000 miles. Sunroof. Clean. No rips. No anything. Here's the problems with the vehicle. So off rip, as you can see, it's kind of faded. The wheels are pretty bad. A lot of curb rash. We're gonna have a lot of DIYs on this page, I should say. You know, we're gonna have a lot of DIYs on this page. See, tail light's pretty good. Oh, also, it's a scuff right there. What else? Like I said, the wheels are pretty bad. Like, there's a lot of curb rash. Like, a lot of curb rash. And this is the most damage to the vehicle, which is, boom, right here, the front bumper. But pretty much that's it. 2010, 87,000 miles, clean, real clean. Okay, so boom, what do we have in store for this one? Brooks Customs will be blacking out the grille, special color emblems, blacking out the headlight housing as well with a custom light. It's gonna have a angel eye, demon eye, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you the DIY on that as well. Painted calipers, probably powder coat, I'm not sure just yet. Wheels as well. I'm going to wrap side mirrors and the roof. Still debating on what I should do with the roof, what color I should do, either glossy black or carbon fiber. Tail lights, I'm not showing the tail lights just yet, but as y'all can see, Brooks Customs, we have decals. Look, they in. DM me if you need one. I will send a few. Yeah, I think I'm going to debadge it. Just leave the Infiniti, but I might make it a special color. I don't know just yet. But car pretty clean. Car is hella clean, really, if you ask me. This is the only problem with the vehicle, but it's not a big problem because I'm Brooks Customs. I paint, so I could easily repaint my front bumper, no problem. Just new. It's gonna be new. And that's how we rocking. But yeah. So I'm not gonna make this a long video. This is just the intro to the new pickup, the new project car, my daily G37. And we out.